If you are getting Roku error 009, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Roku error 009 indicates that your Roku device is connected to the router but cannot access the internet. When you get Roku error 009, the first thing you should check is that you have a stable internet connection. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 2. Check the network settings on Roku. Head to Settings and then Network and then check Connection. This should give you a report on the speed of the network. Check that and then follow the next method. Method 3. Restart the Roku system. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and glitches. So, restart your Roku device. To do that, go to Roku Settings, then select System. Then Power, select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Reboot your router or modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem. If you have separate devices, you can use a smart plug to restart both your router and modem together. Method 5. Reset connection. Go to Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete and Roku restarts. Method 6. Factory reset the Roku device. The next thing you can do is factory reset your Roku system. To do that, open Settings and then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 7. Check for system updates. The next thing you can do is update your Roku software. An outdated system version can be responsible for such errors. To update the Roku system, head to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Confirm if prompted. Wait till the system installs the latest updates. Once done, you can restart the system and check. And there you have it, the methods to fix Roku error 009. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.